Every rounded corner, every arch, every window in your drawing, it comes down to one command people get scared of. Let's get that view. Welcome back to Draw.Draft.Design. Today, arc, rectangle, polygon and ellipse. 4 commands that will let you draw almost everything. Let's go. Arc has a bunch of methods, but we only need 3. First up is 3-point arc. Like using a compass in school, but for arcs. Place 3 points, AutoCAD bends a curve through them. Great when you don't need exact measurements. Second, start center end. You know your center point, like the center of a circle, and AutoCAD swings the arc around it from start to end. Best when you need a precise slice of circle. Third, start end radius. No center this time, you just give AutoCAD the radius, how curved you want it. Perfect when a spec gives you an exact radius to match. And one bonus tool, continue. Pick up right from your last arc endpoints and keep the curve going. No gaps, no misalignment. 4 ways, 1 goal. Smooth curves your way. Next up is rectangle. Same rule as always. Click, draw, click, and you have got your shape. But here is how to nail exact dimensions every time. Select rectangle, click your first point, then head to dimension options on the command panel below and type your size. Say the length and width both are 1500, and here is your perfect rectangle by the dimensions. Or the fastest way we use by typing from your own keyboard. Type REC enter, which is the shortcut for rectangle. Click anywhere, type D, enter for dimensions, enter your size, say 1500 by 1700. Here it is, done in seconds. Right below to rectangle option lies polygon. Click it and AutoCAD asks how many sides you want. Then it asks inside a circle or outside. That decides whether the circle touches your polygon's corner or its edges and changes the whole size of your shape. Third up is ellipse. 2 methods that you will actually use. Center. Tell AutoCAD the center point. It builds the ellipse out from there. Axis end. You know 2 points on the ellipse. Click both and AutoCAD fills the curve between them. 2 clicks, perfect ellipse every time. Quick preview for the next command, which is hatch. Using the hatch command, you can fill the pattern or a hatch to differentiate between materials on a drawing. Brick from a concrete, tile from a wood. This itself is a whole episode, which is on the next time. Hit follow so you don't miss it. So, a quick fun challenge. I have just combined everything till today's lesson into one shape. And this is the shape. Can you guess the commands? Can you guess the shapes I have used to make this one? Comment below and I am shouting you out in the next video. Drop your guesses below. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.